Here we have a 3D printed baby dragon in Teleplay. So it's kind of just chilling, floating on a rock. Let's let it float some more. You know, maybe if I had more time, I could replace the rock with like a piece of wood, because obviously oftentimes rocks don't float, but because it's a magical dragon, why can't the rock float in this case? Okay, let's let it spin some more. Okay. So this is a 3D printed dragon I got from Etsy. So let me first show you the physical setup. Let me zoom out a little. So I have, it looks kind of complicated with all these lights, but it's really not that much. I have 2 100 watt LEDs lighting the green screen so that it's evenly lit. Then I have 3 60 watt bulbs lighting this spinning rock formation. See, I have it on top of 3 cubes. You don't need 3 cubes. You can have your 2 cubes. Let me show you why. Because, because in this app right here, only I think one of the cubes is actually visible if the background was turned off. Okay, so that's the physical setup. The reason I have 3 lights lighting it is because you generally want, when a floating effect like this, you want to have as much lighting as possible. Otherwise, the green cube will start to become visible. Let me show you what I mean. Let me turn off one of these lights. And then it's hard to see, but I know what will happen is one of the green cubes will start showing. Okay, and now for the actual background, what I did is I went to nature backgrounds. What did I do? And then I did, I believe it was this waterfall one. Yep, it was the waterfall of background inside 100 nature backgrounds. For the foreground, what I did is I went to, let's see, what did I do? Nope. I believe it was plants and flowers. And then I just did the nature, it's called nature foreground. And there we go. And that's it, guys. We have a dragon floating on a rock.